few years ago, I realized when it was like the end of the year that the whole year had gone by and there was nothing that I could say that stood out for me. It was like the days were passing and passing and there was nothing memorable or nothing exciting about them. So I decided that year to do some things a little differently in the following year so that way I can make each day count. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 strategies for what has worked for me, and that way maybe you can use 1, 2, or all 3 strategies yourself. This is efficiency and organization, where I talk about everything that has to do with having good systems in place, good organization and planning, so that way we could make each day count and be as productive as possible. So strategy number 1, every day that goes by, I'm going to, on my drive home or sometime in the evening, like around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock or so, I'm going to say to myself what is 1 thing that stood out for me and what are 2 things that happened that were awesome or I was grateful for. I did that for a whole 365 days, and believe it or not, that year was amazing. That was 2 years ago. Last year, I decided not to use that strategy. I don't know why, and I regret it. So now for the new year, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing over again. So again, the strategy is at the end of each day, 1 thing that made the day memorable, 1 thing I would remember it by, and 2 things that happened that were awesome and that I am grateful for. The reason I came up with this was there's an author named Viktor Frankl, not sure if you've heard of him, but basically this man was a German Jew and he grew up in a time of when the Nazis were in Germany, and he was actually in a concentration camp during World War II. And so in reading his books, he said even in those dire, horrible conditions in concentration camps, he was still able to maintain some form of positivity, some form of hope and optimism to survive from one day to another. And so one of the things he did, he said, you know what, just to be alive, I was grateful. Just to have like a little something to eat or water to drink, I was grateful. To be surrounded by people that I cherished, I was grateful. And so I kind of was like, wait a minute, if this man can survive these conditions and still find ways to feel happy about life, then you know what? I need to make each day count too. I'm going to do the same thing. And so that's why the second strategy rang a bell to me. The first strategy with making each day memorable is because a lot of times that happens to us. We're in the nitty gritty. We're like just kind of going on and on, like we're stuck in this everyday routine, and we don't realize that there are moments of awesomeness that happen, and until we like stop and reflect, that's not gonna be obvious to us. So it kind of like that's what it does, is it helps you stop and reflect on the day. The third strategy is having goals. So every end of the year, I evaluate my goals and I write new ones for the new year. Usually I have 3 to 5 goals that I write. When I write them, then every single week I go and I evaluate how I'm doing on them, so that way I could keep myself on track. Everybody's goals are different depending on where they are in life. So for example, if I was single, if I didn't have children, if I was not done with my education, my goals would be very different than what they are now. So my goals are my goals, but your goals will be different. I do have some examples to show you. They're very specific, very, very specific in nature. And I do that on purpose because that way for me, it will be easy to measure how I'm doing. What I do is, this is my planner. I use a paper planner. I don't use a digital. And I go in here, and every single Sunday, there's a note and it says goal status, goal status, goal status. So every Sunday it says that here. And because I use my planner so avidly, so often, every time I see it, I stop and I go and I check my goals. I write my goals on Microsoft Excel, believe it or not. And every time I achieve something, I go and I highlight it, and that way I know it's done. I don't have to think about that one. I think about some of the other ones that I'm trying to achieve. I have some separate videos on goal setting that I am going to share in the description of this video that you can check out. I don't want to make this video so much about goals. I just wanted to give you those 3 strategies. And so I hope you found it helpful and useful. Use these 3 tips, 3 ways to make each day count for you in the next 365 days. Subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.